Is the ReliveX massager a miracle for pain relief or just another internet scam? Trust me, if you've been scrolling through ads for this little gadget, you're not alone in wondering if it's worth your money. Let's break down the truth, fast. First, the good news. Hundreds of real users say ReliveX actually works, especially for chronic neck, back, and leg pain. Unlike regular massagers that just vibrate, ReliveX uses something called neuromuscular electrical stimulation, or NMES. Basically, it sends gentle electric pulses deep into your muscles. The result? For a lot of people, legit pain relief right where it hurts. It's also super portable. It's cordless, fits in your bag, and has a rechargeable battery. There are 6 massage programs, with 19 intensity levels. That means you can customize your session whether you're at your desk or in bed. You just stick the reusable gel pads on your neck, shoulder, waist, or legs, and you're good to go. But here's the part you need to know before you buy. ReliveX does have a few red flags. Shipping is slow, like really slow. Some people waited over a month for theirs to arrive. And watch out for sneaky subscriptions. A lot of customers say they got charged for extra gel pads or warranty plans they didn't agree to. And canceling isn't always easy. Their site promises a 90-day risk-free guarantee, but getting your money back can be a headache if your order is already processed. Quick tip. To feel the pulses, make sure the gel pads are totally flat on your skin. If the sensation is weak, dab a little water on your skin first. So, is ReliveX a scam? Not really. The device itself does what it promises for most people, but their shipping and billing practices could use some serious TLC. If you want effective, portable pain relief and don't mind waiting, ReliveX might be worth a shot. Just read the fine print before you hit buy.